Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to design a single-phase submersible water pump control panel. For now, we'll focus on single-phase, and in upcoming videos, we'll move into three-phase control panels. By the end of this video, you'll be able to get an enclosure like this at an affordable price, assemble the components yourself, and even sell the finished panel. This is a lucrative skill you can build as an electrical engineer, technician, or entrepreneur, and especially as a subscriber to this channel. These are the components we are going to interconnect in this panel. Now, let's move on to the wiring. I want to explain this connection step by step so we can understand it clearly. A single-phase electric motor has three terminals that must be connected properly. However, our AC supply has only two terminals, live and neutral. With the help of a capacitor, we split the phase and create an auxiliary phase, making it effectively three connections for the motor. These are the three terminals of the single-phase motor. First terminal, supply terminal only. You can see it connected directly to the neutral line. Second terminal, capacitor terminal only. This terminal connects only to the capacitor. Third terminal, supply and capacitor terminal. This terminal is connected to both the live supply and the capacitor. This is the basic motor connection. Everything else in the panel is for protection, switching, or measurement. You can decide to add extra features such as analog or digital meters to monitor electrical parameters, push start and stop buttons, circuit breakers for protection. These features depend on the level of automation and safety you want in your panel. If you would like us to design any of these types of control panels, kindly use the join button on my channel to become a member of my fan club. As a member, you'll get a membership badge, and I'll give special attention to your comments. We'll design your desired panel together, feature it in a future video, and your name will be mentioned in my next video.